This Century 21 AmeriSouth Realty property video is presented by Tanner Cribb. Updated 3.5 on a corner lot with an oversized pull-through garage. The roof was installed in 2021 and HVAC was installed in 2015. There are wood floors throughout the living area, tile in the wet areas and carpet in the bedrooms. The kitchen has updated cabinets with mostly pull-out shelves for maximum storage. There is a bonus room off of the master bedroom that could be a great nursery or home office. The attached oversized 2-car garage has a half bath, work benches, window air conditioner unit, and pulls through to the backyard where there is a single garage door. There is a well on the property that is hooked up to the irrigations system and the half bath in the garage. For more information, review the details below or contact